Hi, Mark again at Physical. So I'm going to show you some arm slings using a 1,000-plus-year-old instrument called a club, or club bell. But this is just a wooden or piece of wood, and this is only about half a pound, so it's not very heavy. So what we're going to do is use this to swing and get some momentum through the shoulder, which then will also allow the shoulder blade to move. So the first direction we're going to go is forward and backwards. And to do that, you're going to take your left foot and put it forward if the bell is in your right hand. And then you're going to use your whole body. You're trying to keep your right arm basically relaxed and just let it flow with this. So you're going to just drop down and back. And just letting the arm kind of swing freely like on a rope, but getting good motion behind you and above you, but using the whole body to power that. So that'll put forces through that shoulder blade to help loosen those muscles, as well as the shoulder joint. From the side, it looks like this, so it's just real easy. You're not forcing it. It's just very relaxed, but just trying to get a good motion here and swinging it. If you don't have a bell like this, a hammer or a small handle that you could cut off, or that would work. You don't need much weight, but just something to give you a little bit more leverage to allow that to swing. If you have further questions, contact us at physical@eversville.com.